Deep inside the modern digital world, a multi-billion-dollar trap is actively operating 24 hours a day, looking for its next victim. It promises quick financial freedom and instant luxury, but its true mathematical design is to systematically strip away everything you own. You see the flashing lights on your screen, the massive jackpots, and the targeted advertisements promising that your big break is just one single click away. But behind the beautiful interface lies a brilliant psychological engine engineered to exploit your brain's chemistry. It starts out as a harmless game or a small bet just to pass the time with friends on a boring weekend. But very quickly, that minor entertainment transforms into a dark, heavy obsession that consumes your thoughts and destroys your hard-earned savings. If you are currently trapped in the destructive cycle of gambling, or if you feel the dangerous pull of the betting apps, listen to me very carefully. Today, we are breaking the invisible chains of this toxic habit by unlocking the unbreakable rules of recovery. Welcome back to another crucial guide where we expose the dark realities of modern traps and help you reclaim full control over your financial destiny. Let's break down rule number 1 right now to dismantle the illusion forever. Rule number 1: accept the absolute mathematical truth that the house always wins over time. You must understand that casinos and digital betting platforms are not charitable organizations designed to make regular people rich. They are highly profitable corporate empires built on cold, calculated probabilities that guarantee your ultimate financial loss the longer you play. Every single game, slot machine, and sportsbook is mathematically heavily skewed in their favor. You might experience a temporary exciting win in the short term, but that is simply the bait, designed to pull you deeper into the trap. The algorithm is patiently waiting for you to reinvest those winnings so it can take back every single dollar with interest. Stop looking at gambling as a legitimate financial strategy or an alternative way to pay your heavy monthly bills. It is a highly engineered wealth extraction system, and the only guaranteed way to win against the house is to completely stop playing. Rule number 2: create an immediate physical and digital barrier between yourself and the betting platforms. True willpower is not about sitting in front of temptation and trying your best to resist the heavy emotional urge. Real discipline means completely eliminating the temptation from your daily environment so your brain doesn't have to fight a losing battle. You must delete every single gambling application from your smartphone, tablet, and computer right now. Use advanced website blockers to restrict access to online casinos and unsubscribe from every betting channel or newsletter that triggers your urge. If you have accounts on major platforms, utilize their self-exclusion features to ban yourself permanently. By creating these strict digital roadblocks, you force a crucial time buffer between your sudden emotional impulse and your wallet. If it is difficult to place a bet, your logical brain has a fighting chance to step in and save you. Rule number 3: reclaim total control over your financial accounts and establish strict accountability partners. A gambling addiction desperately thrives in darkness, secrecy, and unmonitored access to liquid capital. To break this vice for good, you must bring your situation into the light and protect your money from your own fluctuating emotions. Sit down with a trusted family member, a spouse, or a close friend and confess the true depth of your struggle. Hand over temporary management of your primary bank accounts or set up strict dual authorization settings for large financial transactions. If your money is tied up or actively monitored by someone who truly cares about your future, you cannot secretly blow it. This level of transparency might feel uncomfortable or bruising to your ego, but your financial survival is far more important than pride. Vulnerability is your greatest shield against a relapse when the heavy cravings inevitably strike. Rule number 4: understand the psychological trap of chasing your past losses. The absolute most dangerous moment for any gambler is right after losing a significant amount of money in a single session. Your brain enters a state of panic, anger, and deep desperation, screaming at you to place one more massive bet to win it all back. This toxic emotional state completely blinds your judgment and forces you to make incredibly reckless decisions. You must accept that the money you lost is gone forever, and it is a tuition fee paid to a brutal real-world school of hard knocks. Trying to chase down your losses is like digging a deeper hole while you're already drowning in mud. Take a deep breath, close down the screen, step away entirely, and write off the loss as a final lesson. Rebuilding your financial house, block by block through honest hard work, is infinitely faster than praying for a miracle bet. Rule number 5. Replace the intense dopamine rush of betting with productive, high-value, real-world habits. Gambling artificially floods your brain with massive spikes of excitement that traditional activities simply cannot match. When you suddenly stop gambling, your mind will experience a heavy, uncomfortable void of boredom and intense restlessness. If you do not actively fill that void with something powerful, you will slowly drift back into your old toxic behaviors. You must channel that intense energy into high-retention activities like heavy weightlifting, martial arts, or building a brand new side business. Start learning a complex digital skill like video editing or coding that requires deep mental focus and rewards you with real progress. The goal is to shift your brain's reward loop away from cheap random chance and connect it directly to tangible, hard-earned achievements. This is how you rebuild your self-esteem and construct a fortress of personal discipline over time. Now that you know the core structural rules, you need to deeply understand the psychology of why you must execute them today. Gambling is not a financial problem. It is a profound escape mechanism from stress, anxiety, or deep underlying boredom. Every single time you place a wager, you are looking for a temporary escape from your current reality and responsibilities. But that temporary relief always leaves behind a massive trail of financial wreckage and heavy psychological guilt. You are sacrificing your future peace of mind, your family's long-term security, and your personal honor just for a fleeting moment of cheap adrenaline. It is time to stand up, face your reality with absolute courage, and stop running away. Imagine the incredible relief of waking up every morning knowing that your bank account is safe from your own impulsive habits. There is no hidden guilt, no severe anxiety looking at your balance, and no desperate lies to tell the people you love. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more motivational content. Drop a comment below if you are fighting this battle. Keep pushing forward, keep believing in yourself, and never give up on your goals. See you in the next video.